Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lab 17 Configuring a Network-Based Firewall. We're going back over to exporting VPN client data. We're going to go ahead and switch to the Kali machine. And by doing that, you're going to select the Kali tab. I'm still logged in from before, but we're going to start a Firefox browser. So I'm just going to open up Firefox clicking on the globe icon on the top of the menu. Let it think for a second as it loads. Okay, and here we're going to type in http://203.0.113.1 and go ahead and enter. You should get a login screen, and on that login screen you're going to type in sysadmin for the username, and then the password is capital NDG, lowercase LABPASS 123, and exclamation mark, and hit enter. From here, we're going to select the VPN tab up on the top, and then that drop down, you're going to select Open VPN. And then from here, we're going to select the Client Export menu. When we select the Client Export menu, we're going to scroll down to the bottom where the Open VPN Clients is presented. So that should be right here. And then underneath the export column, which is here, we're going to click on the archive link. So that would be this one. And then we're going to notice how the file download is complete. Okay. Now, while we're on the Kali system, we're going to configure the VPN client. So we're going to open up Terminal. And in Terminal, we're going to type cd squiggly line. I really should learn what that line means. Space. I'm sorry, not a space. / capital D, lowercase o, WNLOADS. And this will take us to the downloads directory. You just hit enter. You're going to notice how that updates onto the side here. Now we're going to unzip the downloaded file that we had downloaded earlier. And to do that, we're going to type out unzip space pfsense -udp 4-1194 -vpn user -config -zip. I'm just going to double check and make sure I wrote that out correctly. That's the whole file name. That looks right. Cross fingers, I didn't miss anything. Just hit enter. And you can see it's archiving, then creating. From here on step 3, we're going to open the network manager by clicking on the network icon located at the top pane. And then that's this little square, by the way, next to the time. Then we're going to go to VPN connections and add VPN connection. You're going to choose a VPN connection type, and we're going to change that type by selecting the drop-down menu here and going to import a saved VPN configuration since we already created one. We're going to select create, and we're going to look for that file name under the downloads folder. So we're going to select the downloads folder, and we're looking for pfSense UDP 41194 VPN user. I'm just going to highlight that. And then click on the Open tab. So I'm actually going to right click. No. Oh, sorry, I'm not seeing it. There's an Open button on the bottom here. Just select Open after you've highlighted it. And then again, hit Open because we want that first text file. There we go. Okay, and then from here, on part 6, we get this pop-up window, and we're going to leave the connection name as it is. And we're going to type in vuser in the username field. Username, we're going to type in VPN user. And then under password, it should be VPN password. And then under user key, should also be VPN password. And then we're going to select the save button. When prompted to create a password for the new key ring, leave 2 fields empty and click continue. So we're just going to leave those empty. When prompted to store passwords encrypted, click continue. So that's this next step. And then let me see if I can extend this reservation. I will come back in our next video where we're going to go over connecting the VPN client. So see you back soon.